In my video guide, I will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the pop-ups that are coming from the site Myauto.click. Myauto.click is a malicious site. Currently, it attacks Google Chrome and it may also affect other browsers. Myauto.click tries to mislead people and to make them click on a special allow button. In fact, this pop-up says that you need to press allow, supposedly to continue your browsing. But to click on allow is extremely dangerous. This would hijack your browser immediately with multiple pop-ups that will be attacking the screen in the form of web push notifications. So if you have mistakenly clicked on allow, fix your browser by accessing the menu, then settings, privacy and security, site settings, then go down to permissions and choose notifications. So pay attention to the websites allowed to display notifications. Remove any malicious sites that you may find here on the list. So if you find this malicious site or any other deceptive sites like that, get rid of them. I also recommend that you carefully research the system additionally with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and start carefully investigating your system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate other infections fully from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.